Hi guys, this is the soft, subtle bridal glam makeup that everyone is opting for. And to get this accurately and correctly, we have to go with precision. So let's get started. Let's dive into it to learn how to end up doing this kind of makeup. सबसे पहले हम लेंगे Benefit का primer and then I'm gonna apply it thoroughly on my entire face, leaving no undone areas, including my ears as well because मैं जो भी apply करती हूँ अपने neck अपने ears पे भी apply करती हूँ. You don't need to, but yes, because if you're covering your ears in the makeup, then you possibly can. I'm gonna hydrate myself a bit because hydration is really good for your skin. Let's get started. सबसे पहले हम लेंगे कलर करेक्शन जो कि मेरे स्किन टोन से डार्कर कलर है और वो मैंने अपने हाईली पिगमेंटेड एरियाज पे लगा दिया है जो कि मेरे अंडर आईज है. अगर वो आपके अराउंड द माउथ भी है एंड अराउंड द नोज है, देन अप्लाई देयर एज वेल. I'm gonna apply it there and I'm gonna apply this over my lids as well. क्योंकि हमारे lids के ऊपर जनरली हमारे नर्व्स और हमारी वेन्स विजिबल होती हैं और मैं चाहती हूँ जब we do that eye makeup it comes out very flawlessly and seamlessly. To ensure that I have put the color correction there as well and blend it with a damp beauty blender. Always remember जो आपके strokes हैं while blending have to be really soft and have to be very near to your skin while you're blending. Now I'm gonna apply the base in my own color over my entire face and then I'm gonna also start blending. Yes, here I start looking a little funny and I'm also gonna apply the same base over my neck, and yes, I've started looking like a cat over here, but that's okay, let's ignore that. And then I've started blending my entire base, blending it well again because blending is the major game over here. I'm applying the same base over the lid of my eyes to give the same sort of tone over my entire face. I'm blending it well with the damp beauty blender. Again, my strokes are very soft and very near to my face. Very soft and very close to my skin. So that I'm just blending. Blending ऐसी भी नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आप बेस को ही हटा दो. Now Forever 52 के पैलेट से मैं वाइट बेस के अंडरटोन में पाउडर ले रही हूँ to lock the base that I've applied on my lids. पाउडर हमेशा क्या करता है आपके बेस या फाउंडेशन को लॉक कर देता है. सो आई हैव लॉक्ड विद अ लार्जर ब्रश दैट कैन यूजुअली cover my entire lid area. So here I've locked whatever base I've applied on my eyes. Now we will be doing the eyes. Eyes के लिए मैंने outer crease पे pink eyeshadow का pigment लगाया है. That again is from the palette of Revolution Now. एंड उसमें से मैंने जो पिंक लगाया है वो सिर्फ क्रीज पे लगाया है जिसका स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर्मेशन है टुवर्ड्स द आउटर साइड ऑफ द आई, एंड एज वी ब्लेंड इट इनवर्ड्स वो लाइट होता जाता है. ऑन द आउटर कॉर्नर, just outer corner, I'm applying little bit blue and I've applied that in an inverted shape of a cone and blend it well. Now from the inner corner until the middle of the eyes मैं apply कर रही हूँ white nude undertone of white glitter. The undertone happens to be of white over here in the shadow because I'm wearing something in white. और इसमें the glitter pigment is quite high. That I'm applying from the start of my eye until the mid of the eye, and I'm applying pretty decently and I'm not putting a lot of pressure because मैं नहीं चाहती उसके नीचे की जो भी layers और covering है वो हट जाए. The same glitter is what I have applied over the corners of my eye, inner corners, to give that pop-up effect. Now we're going to be placing the liner. Here liner we're going to be placing really thin because we want that soft, subtle, glamorous look. तो पहले हम इसको 3 parts में liner place करेंगे. We're going to do it in 3 strokes. The first strokes would be from inwards to outwards and the last 2 strokes would be from outwards to inwards. Here हम थोड़ा सा wing towards the inner corner निकाल लेंगे. Now we'll do the brows. Brows के लिए मैंने पहले स्पूली से अपनी brows downward movements में brush कर ली हैं. And then I'm gonna set my brows in an upward motion by the spoolie. And very slowly and gently because I do not want my base to move. इसके बाद मैं अपनी eyebrows जो मैंने set कर ली हैं स्पूली से, I'm gonna fix them with the brow gel. ये भी मैंने Forever 52 का ब्रो जेल यूज किया है and I'm gonna fix it very gently without moving any part of my base. बिकॉज अभी तक हमने बेस फिक्स नहीं किया है. टू गिव दैट डेफिनेशन इन द ब्रोज आई हैव यूज बॉबी ब्राउन का क्रीम पैलेट फॉर माई आईब्रोज. एंड उसमें मैंने बाउंड्रीज जो अपनी आईब्रोज की हैं वो ओवर द टॉप and over the lower parts of the brows, the borders, I have defined them by using the lighter color than my brows. Except on the places where I have no hair and I want to fill it up, I have used little darker, but generally I have used a lighter color over the borders of my brows, which is on the upward side and on the lower side. I do not need to fill in my brows, but if you do require to fill in your brows, then fill it in a way of how your hair strokes are, how your hair are placed. Put the strokes in the same formation so it would look like you have a real hair there and it's not a pigmentation. Let's go for the another step, which is liquid foundation. मैंने यहाँ मालियो का liquid foundation use किया है and I'm placing it very gently over the top of my cheeks and top of my nose. I'm gonna use the beauty blender because generally liquid blush में जो कलर इम्पैक्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाता है. सो आई एम गोना प्लेस इट वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. नाउ आई एम गोना लॉक माई एंटायर बेस. मैं ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर सिर्फ और सिर्फ अंडर माई आईज इस्तेमाल करती हूँ बिकॉज मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है. सो आई डू नॉट लाइक यूजिंग इट ओवर द एंटायर फेस, बट इफ यू स्वेट अ लॉट यू कैन. हियर वी गोना हाईलाइट द फोरहेड and the bridge of the nose. I've used the highlighter over the center of my forehead and over the bridge of my nose and on the cupid's bow. Little bit of highlighting, which I generally do not require, but I'm doing this so that you people can understand how to come to that step of highlighting. We'll go for some contour as well. This is again for you people because I do not require contouring, but अगर आपका face इतना ज़्यादा chisel नहीं है, then you can apply contouring from the start of the ear until the middle of your cheeks, right before the apple of your cheeks where it starts. So मैंने nose के sides में और cheeks के from ears to cheeks मैंने contouring, cream contouring apply करके blend कर ली है. And the same thing is what you can do. Here I've applied on the nose as well and I've blended it well. Now हम आई मैजिक का ब्लश पैलेट के पाउडर ब्लश से अपना लिक्विड ब्लश को लॉक कर लेंगे. I've used a very light color over here because we want to keep it very natural, very day vibe. Now let me do my lips and come back, and let me do my eyes and come back. This is the final look. This is what it looks like. I have only applied lashes over here and I've only done the lips. Now I'm gonna fix my makeup by the makeup fixer because मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था कि मैं सिर्फ ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर अंडर माई आई यूज़ करती हूँ. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आता है, you can use it on the entire face. This is the final look. Please let me know आपको कैसा लगा and इसको try ज़रूर करना. For all the products that I've used, all the details of the products are in my bio. Go buy it and try it. और try करके मुझे बताना ज़रूर कि आपको makeup कैसा लगा and how well you have been able to learn this. Until then, keep watching and stay tuned for more such videos.